Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is wait for enabled method in WebDriverIO. So there are a lot of wait until, wait for clickable, lot of beautiful methods are there in WebDriverIO. Already we have added wait for clickable here, and also we have added wait until JS method. Now let me add wait for enable spec. I'll go here. I'll expand the spec again. I'll add the file wait for enabled.js, and also I'll just copy this wait until, and I'll rename this wait for enable.html. So wait for enable.html. Let us take the code from here. So let me copy this code. Let me paste it here. This is wait for enabled. All right. So let me copy this. Let me go to wait for enabled. Let me paste it here. So instead of display.html, just let me add wait for enable.html. All right. Let me go to the code again. So let me add this one, wait for enable. Let me remove this in drop down. And also test case, I'll add wait for enable itself. Okay. Let me go here. Let me see the scenario after this. So this should be enabled after 3 seconds. Let me just run this. npm run test run. Now it should launch the browser. It launched the Chrome browser. Let's see, after 3 seconds, minimum 3 seconds, it should have been enabled. See, it has now passed. Okay. Let us see one more scenario where it should be disabled. Okay. So let me copy that, put a comment here. Let me click on enter. So it should be enabled by reverse. So wait for enable, reverse equal to true, means the Chrome browser is launching. So it has now passed. So reverse was true. So both the scenarios we saw, first scenario was wait for enable, we are seeing for the timeout, and the reverse was true in the second element. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.